We have a little bit of a problem with birds dive bombing our front door. So they've been building a nest right above basically our front door. And unfortunately, there's no way for us to stop them other than trying to like knock it down or put like something that flaps there, and it doesn't work particularly very well. So I have to climb up here. It's the beginnings of a nest. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna knock it down. At least it doesn't have any eggs or anything in it. It's just that. So I'm gonna put this. Just gonna kind of drop it. So I don't know if we should put like nails or something on this little ledge, or put like some kind of owl or something. But it's very annoying and a little obnoxious, and we're not really sure what to do. So yeah, that's the problem. Bye!